Hey everyone, Xiaomi is set to release their Mi 11i very soon. It's their newest entry in the flagship killer part of the market, and it's practically identical to the Mi 11X Pro released in India. The Mi 11i seems to be targeted at those people who find the regular Mi 11 to be just outside their budget. So, what should you expect? I'm Angie for GSM Arena, and these are the key features of the Xiaomi Mi 11i. The phone has a beautiful new design with a camera bump that is uniquely Xiaomi. It really sticks out, but it has been a trend this year, and with a case like the see-through one included in the box, it'll be much less noticeable. Our unit is in cosmic black, though it also comes in celestial silver and frosty white. It seems to really like fingerprints, but again, with the case, that shouldn't be much of an issue. The Mi 11i has a Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. It also has IP53 rated dust and water protection, so you have some guard against the elements. It's a bit large and not exactly the lightest phone around. Still, it's very thin, which makes it relatively easy to handle. On the front, you'll find a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR10+, and Xiaomi is promising brightness of up to 1300 nits. There's a small centered hole punch at the very top, though it has a silver ring around it, which draws undue attention towards it. Just out of the box, we really like how it looks, though once we run some tests, we'll better understand how it stacks up against the competition. The phone comes with either 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 flash storage, so for most use cases, you'll have plenty of space. On the audio front, we're pleased to see that the Mi 11i has stereo speakers. It supports Bluetooth 5.2, and in certain markets, it has NFC should you want to pay with your phone or connect to Bluetooth devices more easily. The phone has a 4520 mAh battery, which is around average for recent releases. We find its fast charging to be more promising and interesting, since the phone should charge from 0 to 100% in 52 minutes. As far as software is concerned, the phone ships with Android 11 with MIUI 12 on top. Visually, nothing has changed with the transition to Android 11, so we are waiting for the next version of MIUI to see some changes compared to older phones. The Mi 11i sports Qualcomm's flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 888 5G. It's the same chipset that you'll find in both the Mi 11 and the Mi 11 Ultra. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, and the star of it is the 108-megapixel main camera. You'll also find an 8-megapixel ultra-wide cam and a 5-megapixel macro camera for extreme close-ups. Sensor size on the main camera is not as large as on the Mi 11 proper, but recently Xiaomi has had some heavy hitters in the camera department, so we expect good things from it. The phone is using Xiaomi's Night Mode 2.0 for nighttime shots, and if you take videos, you'll be able to take advantage of the one-click AI cinema, which means better zoom, night time-lapse videos, freeze-frame video, and other features. The Mi 11i offers a lot of features that are similar to the regular Mi 11. Sure, the 11i has a smaller main camera sensor, a smaller battery, and Gorilla Glass 5 instead of Victus, but a lot of other things are pretty much the same, and the Mi 11 has been one of the better phones that we've reviewed recently, so we're thinking that the Mi 11i should also be pretty promising. But will it stand up to in-depth examination? Well, that remains to be seen in our full review. Subscribe so you don't miss it, stay safe everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.